Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home. Today we will learn the topic Introduction to Our Environment, which is under class 10 subject Biology. Chapter's name is Our Environment. Students, I have already started this topic in our online classes. I have already discussed about the topic Introduction to Our Environment in our online classes. But I have seen that many students have not attended due to any reason the online classes. So specially for them, I am making the video, those who were unable to attend the online class. And also for those students, I am making the video who have already attended this online class, so that you can recall the things again, whatever I have taught in online class. And if you have missed any point on this topic, then you can just go through the video and note it down. So let us start. Our environment is the surroundings that we live in. So our environment means the surroundings where we live in. Environment and living beings are interdependent on each other for their sustainability. It is very true that environment and the living beings living in that environment are interrelated to each other for their proper living. Any damage to the environment affects the living beings. Any kind of damage happening in the environment directly or indirectly affect the living beings. The interaction of living beings and non-living beings forms an ecosystem. We know that, students, the interaction of living beings and non-living beings in an environment forms an ecosystem. They are its components also. They means the living beings and the non-living beings. So that means the living beings and the non-living beings are the components of ecosystem. We already know that, students, living beings forms the biotic components of the ecosystem and non-living beings forms the abiotic components of the ecosystem, which we will learn in detail as we will progress in this chapter. Food is transferred in the form of food chain in an ecosystem. So we know that food is transferred in the form of food chain in an ecosystem. Flow of energy is unidirectional. The flow of energy is unidirectional from sun to the organisms. Accumulation of harmful chemicals via food chain. So accumulation of harmful chemicals via food chain in the body tissues takes place. So while the food chain is going on, in that process, accumulation of harmful chemicals in the body tissues take place. It is called by pollution, cutting of trees, etc. These kind of things happening due to human activities, they deplete the ozone layer of the Earth's atmosphere. And we know that increased phenomenon of global warming is happening these days due to these kind of human activities, which is hampering the nature. Care should be taken for dumping garbage. Care should be taken for dumping garbage. It must be reduced and recycled for a better environment. So proper care should be taken for dumping garbage. Okay? We should separate the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable wastes. They should be dumped separately to get a clean environment. And the garbage must be reduced and recycled for a better environment. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is introduction to our environment. In today's topic, I have given introduction to several points which are further in detail in this chapter. As we will progress in this chapter, we will get these points, whatever I have discussed today, we will read these points in detail again. So, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. So, study properly at home, keep watching the videos and take care of